Hey guys, what's up? Alan here, and I brought back my wife Stephanie. So today we are heading to Bacco Pizza, which is a lovely pizza place in South. So basically what happened, as you may recall, we did a video on our honeymoon, which was like 5 of our favorite foods in Tobago. And the owner of Bacco Pizza saw it, and he's like, clearly you guys like pizza, so you definitely have to come and check out my place in South here. And I said, absolutely no problem, because we absolutely obviously love pizza. So when somebody calls to say come and check it out, you know I must come and check it out. What are you expecting, Lynn?
Really yummy pizza.
Expecting really yummy pizza.
And maybe some dessert.
And some dessert. And maybe a glass of wine, but we're not sure yet. So yeah, we're going to make the journey to South now. We probably have a long way ahead of us. I know there's probably going to be a bunch of traffic, but the food and the payoff at the end is surely going to be worth it. I know that they have a very good reputation. So yeah, without further ado, let's go and check out Bacco's Pizza. You guys come along, and you know, hopefully after you see this video, you could go and check them out as well once we give it the thumbs up.
Yeah.
Alright, well, yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Boop. We're on a road trip together, guys. Me and my beautiful wife with all the traffic. Here's the nuts man. Maybe we could just get some nuts. You know the saying goes that it's not worth eating pizza unless there's hours of traffic before you get it.
To work up an appetite.
To work up an appetite.
Yeah.
And Trinidad is the perfect place to sit in traffic to work up an appetite. We have a new friend coming for some pizza with us. So we've been in the car for about like 25 or 30 minutes now. We left the Glencoe area, which is in the west kind of area, and after about 35 minutes we've reached Port of Spain, which is normally about a 8 to 10 minute drive. So you have to love that Trinidad traffic, you know. And I'm stuck between two massive trucks right now. They obviously don't want us to get any pizza, and it's really annoying.
I'm hungry.
She's hungry, guys.
Ah, too close.
And here's a nice tour of Port of Spain as we slowly, like turtles, drag our way through the traffic. And I probably shouldn't be doing this while I'm driving either.
No.
No. We've arrived at Bacco Pizza. Bacco, right? Alright, to make sure I say that correct.
Right.
And what's your name?
Domonique.
Dominique. Yeah? You can't see her right now, Dominique, but there's a lovely server by the name of Dominique outside of the frame right now. And she's going to take our order first. I'm going to go with the Rustica.
And the Quattro formaggi.
Quattro formaggi. So we have a vegetarian and a meat option.
Okay.
Yes.
And calamari.
Oh yes. Yeah, he actually insisted that we do the calamari as well.
Oh, my plate's so empty. I'm waiting.
Did you say your name is Dominique?
Yes, I did.
So guys, this is Dominique, the famous Dominique from earlier. Dominique, you're here from Tobago helping them out, right?
Yeah, we're from the other branch in Peppies.
Okay, cool. And how long, you don't know how long you'll be here for?
Probably, maybe till the end of the month, not really entirely sure.
Okay. And I heard a rumor that it's because you are far superior to every other worker on the island. Is that why they moved you here?
But I'm basically here to help out until we get the new worker. Normally I'd be working in the cashier in Peppies.
Okay, cool. I feel like I may have seen you in Tobago as well too, because I have actually frequented Tobago spots a lot. You guys have little slot in next to the kebabs and that kind of stuff, right? And you used to serve the pizzas on a slice of wood and
Yep.
I loved it. I mean, I'm sure it's all the same authenticity minus Giuseppe.
Yeah, basically.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. That's my brother. So, thank you very much for our pizzas. What's your name?
I'm Akil Hayward.
Tell me again.
Akil?
Akil?
Yes.
Akil, how long you been doing this?
I've been doing this for over 2 years now.
2 years?
Yeah.
And you've worked mainly at this branch, or you're trained in Tobago or anything else?
Mainly in this branch.
Okay, that's awesome. Well, you're very, very gifted. Looking forward to eating these best pizzas you put in front of me here. Well, thank you very much. Say hello, Trinidad.
Hello, Trinidad.
Come to Bacco Pizza, the best
Come to
pizza.
Whenever you want it. Best pizza in town.
Best pizza in town, eh?
Yes.
And in South.
Trinidad. Best pizza in Trinidad.
All at Trinidad, I like that. Thank you, my brother.
No problem.
It looks so good. No, no.
Without you.
No, you can't eat any without me. Stephanie, babe, are you enjoying our dates while I ignore you completely in film?
Quality time.
And this one is the Quattro formaggi. Enjoy, guys.
Thank you very much. So guys, this is the meat option. And this is the cheese option, or the vegetarian option for that matter. And this is Stephanie,
Not
waiting to
much.
eat. Can I ask you your name?
Cassandra.
Cassandra?
Yes.
That's a very lovely name.
Thank you.
And you are the calamari expert on the island, I was told?
Yes.
Fantastic. So this is going to be one of the best calamaris I ever eat in my life.
Definitely.
Because the boss man himself is like, you must try my calamari, eh?
Yes, it's amazing.
Fantastic, I like that. So Cassandra, you go ahead and do your thing. Thank you very much.
Not a problem.
And I want you to say one more thing for me. Say hi, Trinidad.
Hi, Trinidad.
Where's the best pizza place in all of this country?
Bacco pizzeria.
I like that, everybody know it. The calamari that the boss man said we must eat. I love calamari. Hey, don't eat without me.
Well, you're taking too long.
Hello,
Well, I mean, you see, it is
how is it? It's good?
hot.
What? Yeah, well, it just literally came out the fryer. Alright guys, so I just spent the last half an hour filming, watching everything get made. And I've been neglecting my wife as a true good husband should do. So we're finally going to get to eat now. big bonus to me, guys, is that they put pepper sauce on my table. And I love pepper sauce on anything, but especially my pizza and stuff. Yes, anything. It's like literally drink pepper sauce.
Like, they
But I'm a big pepper sauce fan, and any pizza place that drops a pepper sauce in front of me already winning in my books. Girl, eat your vegetarian pizza.
It's a perfect dessert.
Here is our dessert with a name we can't say. What is it called?
Vignetta.
Vignetta. Say it.
Vignetta.
Vignetta.
That sounds...
Just be careful though, because the inner plate is hot because we have to cook it.
Okay.
So apparently the inner plate is hot, and I was told that it's very sweet.
If you saw the oven, then you'd know why.
Oh my god. Can you eat so I can eat? Please?
I like it.
How was it, baby?
I don't have to take a bite yet.
I'll take a bite. What happened? No, I'm the sweet tooth in this relationship here, so she's just the tester because I have to film. Is it good?
I don't even know what I'm eating.
You don't know what you're eating, huh? Okay, enough. You've had enough. So, the manager of Bacco in South here. What's your name, sir?
Kevin Sampson.
Kevin. And Kevin, how long have you been working here?
Since 2019.
2019?
Yeah, October 2019.
Okay, and other than that, are you can you make pizzas? Are you a cook as well too, or you're just managing?
I am just a manager.
Yeah.
But I'm willing, I'm trying to learn the art of making pizzas.
Understood. You know, I hear I'm a manager too, and I work in a sushi restaurant, and I can't make any sushi. And I there for like 8 years. But so how long has Bacco in South been open?
Well, under the management of Giuseppe Zappa and his wife Ray,
Okay.
since 2019, the beginning of 2019.
Okay. And how has COVID affected business and that kind of thing?
Surprisingly enough, our takeaway service was pretty good
Okay.
during COVID. But as dining opened back up, it has slowed down a bit. But we have our regular customers coming back to us. And
Okay.
business is picking back up as usual.
Awesome. And you're enjoying your time working here? You feel like you get nice customers, there's a good vibe?
Of course.
I hear that.
Customers are very friendly. And of course, Bacco always provide friendly customers to this.
Well, we've definitely seen that tonight, you know. So, on behalf of my wife and I, we want to thank you and your staff for having us. It was a fantastic experience, and honestly, the food was amazing. But we knew that. We knew the food was amazing because, you know.
But it was nice having you guys with us.
Thank you very much. And tell me something, where can you get the best pizza in Trinidad and Tobago?
Of course, the best pizzas is at Bacco Pizzeria for authentic Italian cuisine.
Fantastic. Blessings, brother. Thank you very much. I wish you all the best for the future. It's just one more time. I didn't hear you all properly inside. Where you can get the best pizza in Trinidad?
Bacco Pizzeria!
Bacco's! Thank you very much for your excellent service, everybody, and your excellent cooking skills and your excellent manager skills. I really enjoy myself. Everybody out there, check out Bacco. Oh God. Everybody out there? No, we all make mistakes, right? Check out Bacco's Pizza. Thank you very much, guys.